Former Member of Parliament and well-noted attorney Ernie Simit has passed away. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Former Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Anne's and prominent attorney at law, Ernie Simit has passed away. He was 70 years old. Simit reportedly passed away at the University Hospital of the West Indies about 9 p.m. on Wednesday. He was reportedly being treated for cancer for the past 12 months, but his condition began to decline significantly last week. He was survived by his wife, Lynette Simit, son Ernie Simit Jr., and 4 daughters. One of his daughters, Marcia Simit, is also an attorney at law who was elected to represent the constituency of North East St. Anne's in the September 2020 general election and is now the state minister in the Minister of Finance and Public Service. The late Ernie Simit, a graduate of the Yorkesa High School, qualified as a barrister at age 22, one of the youngest barristers in the Caribbean at the time, and had a long and distinguished legal career. In recent times, among the clients he represented is the now incarcerated dancehall star Tommy Lee Sprta during the artist's numerous run-ins with the law before the gun possession offense for which the artist pleaded guilty and was sentenced to prison. Simit was also reportedly involved in a motor vehicle collision in St. Anne's, but was reportedly not seriously injured in the incident. The Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honourable Mr. Andrew Holness, also took the time to reflect on the life and work of Mr. Ernie Simit. In a Facebook post, he wrote, "I'm saddened to learn of the passing of the former Member of Parliament for Southwest St. Anne's, Ernie Simit, this morning. Ernie Simit was a prominent lawyer, former member of the Jamaica Labour Party, and member of the Southwest St. Anne's, which he served for 2 consecutive terms between 2002 and 2011. I express my heartfelt condolences to his wife, children, our own state minister in the Minister of Finance and Public Service, and the Member of Parliament for North East St. Anne's, Marcia Simit, and the rest of the family as they mourn this tremendous loss. Ernie Simit would have represented the incarcerated dancehall star Tommy Lee Sprta on many occasions. We here at Links 007 TV as well just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to the family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.